God, why is Teletubbies Loco, Ragdoll Face, and World War Loco doing here?
Oh, we're just here because Speedstar, Disney Junior, and Playhouse Disney are with Riley, Bree, and Grace from Inside Out and Inside Out 2 going to Wingstop, which is Mia Collins' work and the driver. I got the footage if you like to see it. Hello, welcome to Wings. However, we would, for me, I would like a quarter pounder burger. Speedstar? Well, I will pick. I'll pick my favorite. My favorite Wingstop is a burger, but with no pickles. Oh, Riley, we pizza, but no broccoli or Hawaiian. Oh, Brie, that pizza as well. Great. Same goes to me. Well, mine is hot. Okay, coming right up.
Ugh, not again. After we'll do take 81. In action, in action, in action.